YouTube is easily one of the best ways to build an income online. Just imagine having a full library of videos bringing you passive income every month. Wouldn't that be awesome? What would your life be like if you had an extra $100 to spend every day on complete autopilot? Perhaps you could spend more time with family, work less, or maybe it could even help pay your bills. But what if you are camera shy? Maybe you are afraid of being judged online, or maybe you are just lazy. Haha, I'm just kidding. But seriously though, what if there was a way to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Would you like to know how? If you answered yes, then definitely pay close attention. Because today, you're going to learn 4 ways that you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. And if you stick around to the end, you're going to learn how you can get started as soon as today. Before we get into things, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you always get notified whenever there is a brand new video. But without further ado, let's get right into things. So the very first method of creating faceless YouTube videos is by creating whiteboard animation videos. Now, a very great example of this is a channel called Improvement Pill. You may have heard of them before. They have a channel with around 2.07 million subscribers, which is quite a huge following. And their videos fully consist of these whiteboard animation videos. So it's a lot of topics about, the truth about video games, the real reason why your life is so boring, why I started an improvement pill, top 7 ways to boost your immune system, top 5 ways to become mentally stronger, how to be more confident. You need to do this exercise if you are tired all the time. It's a lot of videos about improving yourself, getting better at certain aspects in life, that type of stuff. And pretty much all their videos are in the form of whiteboard animation. So these videos have a look kind of like, I'm gonna move this for a minute. It's these little videos where it's so as you can see right there, it's videos mostly consisting of these whiteboard, like these, like little drawn out little characters here, that type of stuff. And that's pretty much what this channel pretty much is all about right there. So you may be wondering, how exactly can I create these kinds of videos? Well, there is a great tool that you can consider using called Dubli.com. And this is a tool that allows you to create very awesome looking whiteboard animation videos very quickly. Pretty much all you have to do is record your voice, you insert it in, and then you include whatever animations that you want to include. So if you go to doodly.com, there is a video that shows you exactly how it all works. You could try it out for free. It's available for both Mac and PC, and it is very, very inexpensive. So if you go on over to pricing right here, this will show you you can get started as little as 39 bucks a month, or if you go with the annual plan, it would be as little as 20 bucks a month. So these kinds of videos normally do take quite a bit of money to make, but with this tool, it's very possible to make these kinds of videos. And the benefit of creating these kinds of videos is that they are everyone loves these kinds of videos. They are known to get lots of great views, as you can see with this channel. This video alone that was posted just 4 days ago already has almost 60,000 views. And lots of people love this video. And what's great about this is, of course, not only are they making lots of money from Google AdSense, but they even have, like an affiliate offer that they're promoting here. So it looks like they're promoting NordVPN, but there is a very good earning potential with these kinds of videos because everyone loves these kinds of videos. I mean, who doesn't love whiteboard animation videos? I know I certainly enjoy watching them every now and then. But let's move on to the second method, which is doing unboxing videos. Now, there is a video that I found here that is an unboxing of the Google Pixel 3a phone. I actually have this phone myself, and in this video, this guy does not show his face at all. He pretty much just kind of goes through the entire thing. Pretty much shows exactly what is inside, what's included, that type of stuff, what the Pixel phone is all about. So he's pretty much just kind of going through the entire video, unboxing the phone, talking about his experience with, Google so far. And this video right here has over 40,000 views, and it was posted last May, it looks like, so almost a full year ago. But this video right here, or this channel, has over 33,000 subscribers, and he is making money with Google AdSense, as well as it looks like with by promoting this as well. So pretty cool way to make videos without showing your face. If you are passionate about, reviewing products, if that's something that you would enjoy doing, this is something that I would highly recommend doing, is unboxing videos, and also you could do this with product reviews as well. So you could just have the camera right in front of you, pointing at whatever product it is that you're unboxing or talking about, and then you pretty much just kind of speak as you go along. So this is a great way to make videos without showing your face, and people love these kinds of videos because they want to know exactly what, the product is all about. So if someone looks up unboxing, product name plus unboxing, or product name plus review, they want to know exactly what it's all about, what to expect. And if you have a great video, then you can definitely get lots of views for that video right there. So that is method number 2 that you can consider going with. This is one that I highly recommend going for. But let's move on to the third method, which is actually what I'm doing right now. It is screen recording videos. Now, there is a tool called Screencastomatic, and this is actually a tool that I used for a very long time myself, well over 6 months. I've had a very great experience using this. This is a free tool that you can get. It's available on both, looks like Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Chromebook, so you could just download this for free. And this allows you to record your computer screen. And this tool is great for if you are doing, digital product reviews, if you are doing some sort of, computer tutorials, like how to improve the audio in your computer or something like that, right? Or how to, make your computer go faster. That is what these tools would be very great for. So if you are interested in doing product reviews, specifically digital product reviews or computer tutorials or anything like that, Screencast-O-Matic is a great tool to consider checking out. And one other one that I recently am testing out for the first time myself is called OBS. So this is another free screen recorder that you can check out. And this one is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. So you could download this for free. And this one you don't have to really pay anything for. So Screencast-O-Matic and OBS, these are both really great tools to consider checking out, and you could very easily make videos just recording your computer screen. You don't have to show your face. Of course, if you want to, you could have your little face in the corner of the screen like I've done in previous videos, but with these tools, you don't have to show your face at all. You can just show your computer screen. But the fourth and final method of creating videos without showing your face is probably my favorite one out of these four, and it is doing animation videos, or actually what I like to refer to as royalty-free videos, or I guess you can call it that. But there is a channel by the name of Faxverse, and they have over 8 million subscribers. You may have heard of them. And when I click on one of these videos, like for example, how WWE superstars got started, including The Rock. If I click on this video right here, this just shows, let me mute that for a minute. This video right here pretty much just shows certain royalty-free clips that are from a platform known as Storyblock. So that is where channels like Faxverse gets these clips. They get them from a source known as Storyblock, and that's pretty much how they create these kinds of videos. So it pretty much shows certain small video clips of whatever the topic is all about, and then you just have the narrator speaking.
Them to be successful stars in wrestling. Before we get into our video, jump down to the comments and let us know about your favorite wrestlers.
So pretty cool, right? Pretty cool way of making videos, and these videos are also known to get very high amounts of engagement. So people love these kinds of videos as well. They're also known to get very great reviews. This is very similar to the whiteboard animation style videos, where you could use a tool like Dubli, but the question is, how can you make videos like this? Well, you can use a tool known as Storyblock. So you can download certain like royalty-free clips that you could use. Or what I personally recommend going for is using a tool known as Content Samurai. Now, I've actually just recently started testing this out for the very first time myself. In fact, you may have noticed that when you first clicked on this video, it started off just by showing these royalty-free clips on, what this video was exactly all about. So what I used to create that intro was a tool known as Content Samurai, and you can create a very cool looking video that will, that looks very nice very quickly simply by heading over to Content Samurai, and if you just click on create a new video right here, it'll take you through the steps of creating a video yourself. So you select whatever template you want. In my case, you could just select one of these that with a certain text color and background. Like if I click on, let's say like this one for this one, like right here, like steel gray, right? I click on use this template. I enter the name of the video, name, hello, this is my video, right? Create scenes, and it'll just create like, it'll just take random royalty free clips for that. Like, as you notice right here, the video that came up for this, the little royalty free video, is a video of video cameras, and it picked that up because I had the word video in here. So right here, just like as you could see, it would create a scene containing all of the sentences and different phrases that you of course would say in the video. And then once you have your entire script complete, you just scroll down to the bottom, you click on add voice track, and then here is where you could record your own voice. So if I go to record your own voice track right here, I could just simply read myself, record my voice reading this. So if I click on record, hello, this is my video. So I click stop right there, and I can of course play that back. Hello, this is my video. Okay, that's pretty cool. So then, from here I could just click on preview your video, and it'll pretty much create like a preview for it. And then if you are happy with how your video turns out, then you could decide to download your video. So let's see exactly how this looks once it finishes downloading or loading up. Alright, and we are back. So now it has finished completing the video, and if I just click on the play button right here, we'll see exactly how this video looks. So I'm just going to click on play. Hello, this is my video. Of course, it's not the the best looking thing in the world because I just kind of came up with this just kind of off the top of my head right there. But as you can see right there, this looks pretty good. And of course I don't have my face in it, but if you have an entire script, what you could do is you could have an entire list of little royalty free clips that pretty much play in the background, and you have your voice pretty much reading the entire script right there. So this is a very great way to make videos without having to show your face. And the benefit is that you could have an entire script pretty much written for you. You could outsource this entire thing. You could have someone write your script, and then you could pretty much just read that script into your microphone and then have that included right on here, and then it'll just create all the video clips in the background for you. So this takes a lot of the heavy lifting off your back. You don't have to spend lots of time editing this entire thing together. This is a very quick way to make faceless videos, and they actually look pretty good. So when you are finished, you just click on the button that says looks good, continue, and then from here you could then download your video. So that is pretty much all there is to it, and those are the 4 ways that I wanted to go over when it comes to creating videos without showing your face. Now the question is, how exactly can you get started doing this today? How can you start creating faceless videos? If you aren't exactly sure where to start, and you are looking for a way to get started on YouTube, you want to be able to make faceless videos and still make pretty good money on YouTube, then what I would highly recommend is clicking the second link down in the description, and that link will take you to a free training that you could attend that's going to show you how to make a full-time income, how to make a full-time passive income on YouTube without filming yourself. And in this webinar in particular, you're going to learn how to find affiliate products that sell themselves and how to quickly attract buyers without doing keyword research. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to do keyword research in order to become big on YouTube. Contrary to what a lot of other people on YouTube may tell you, there is a faster way of growing on YouTube, but this is also going to show you how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. And you're also going to learn how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time possible. And this is known as the snowball method. So all you have to do right now is click the second link in the description, or it might even be the first link, and that's going to take you to this page right here where you could click on the yes, reserve my seat now, and from there you could then choose your availability. So you select the date and time that you'd be available to attend. You select your time zone. And then from there, you just enter your first name and your email address, and then you'll be well on your way to getting started on YouTube and then making a full-time income. So I hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found lots of value here. Anyways, hope you found lots of value in this video. Be sure to check out that free training. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and take care.